Good morning. So today is Seaday. Seaday is today. Sorry, I didn't get a chance to close out my vlog yesterday, but we came in this cabin. We say we was laying down for a nap. Nap ended up to good morning.
Music keeps me dancing. Music keeps me dancing.
I'm back, friends. They got a lot of music playing in here, so I'm not gonna record too long. But I want to show y'all my shirt. The LWLL squad. So that's Living Life with Lisa. And if y'all don't know who Living Life with Lisa is, go over there to her channel. Thank you. Go over to her channel and check her out. She has 2 channels. So, let me show y'all my juice that I had got. I chose this one because it has the ginger. Oh, I can smell the beets in this. This is gonna be strong, but it got all the good stuff in there. All the good stuff.
I don't know if
So I'm gonna get to my my breakfast. This is the one I have, friends. The parsley juice.
Oh, my wife is on YouTube too.
Maybe I should have got that one.
Antoinette at fun. That's where it goes. YouTube.
And this is the one with the kale.
Everything.
That's the one with the turmeric. And this is the one with the cayenne pepper. Can you see what's the name? See that right there?
Look at my wife playing. She gone too. You go, girl. Boy, she having fun. Boy, she enjoying her weekend.
All these colors that they have. I'm driving a Porsche. Oh my goodness. That's it for me.
All right, go to the next one.
Oh, I like this one. I like this one. This one right here kind of smooth. Ooh. Let me show them what's in here. This is the dinosaur. They just showed a dinosaur. Look at that. Look at the dinosaur. What are those? Now let me see if I can get something this time. I'm going all the way to the back this time, to that one here. Over a little bit. Now I'm going down, friends. I'm gonna get this. This time I'm getting. Dang, something ain't right about this thing. Oh, I messed up. So we at Bonsai Sushi Express. Hey friends. So I came in to take me a little break. I was in the casino trying to play some of the little games. I did get me some the scratch offs that I'm gonna scratch off later and see if I win anything. Yes. And so and I won me $8 whole. Well, actually 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, because I won $1 at one point and then the other 8 another time. So spending money in there, and that's what I won. But at least I won something this time, because normally I don't. I think I might have won something off of one scratch off once. Yeah. So yeah. Excuse the hair, because I'm just letting it do what it want to do. And I went and got my little charms and the little bracelet. It actually came with a bangle. So this is what the Carnival Elation have. Yeah. So this was the bangle. I went and got that, and then I got my little charms right in here. I actually got some cute ones too. I like, because they use the pink, the hot pink, which on the Mardi Gras I had like the blue, which is cute also. It's really cute. So tomorrow then you can start getting the individual ones. One of them is a dolphin, so I got to make sure I go and get my dolphin. Yeah. And whatever else, like I just go keep them till I get them all filled up. But I think I'm gonna just put them on these on here, because I started to put the charms on this one from the Mardi Gras, but I think I'm gonna keep them with whatever cruise ship it go with. I'm gonna keep it just like that. Yeah. So I just had to come in here and speak, check in. I brought me some sushi. Yes. Hopefully I'm gonna like it. I don't know, because I like the one that's kind of fried up a little bit, and then they put the I call it shrimp sauce, but they call it something else. Here they say the something mayo spicy, so that's what I got on there, you know. But so what we got planned today, friends, we supposed to go do bingo. Now I told my husband that what time bingo start, but he's still in that casino. He ran in here and ran right out. So hopefully we'll get to do bingo, because I'm feeling a little lucky. I might win something. We'll see, you know. But I mean, you won't know if you don't play. And then the last couple of times we was on the Mardi Gras, we didn't play. So I'm steady reminding him, showing him the Carnival Hub. And speaking of Carnival Hub, make sure when you go on them cruises, you get that Carnival Hub, because you can start out before you even get on your cruise, so you can keep how many days you have before you sail. And then once you get on this cruise ship, then you can start using it. And when I tell you it's awesome, yeah, and it's easy, yeah. So I'm trying to see what else we got to do. We went in, we had Seaday Brunch, and it was okay. It was the French toast was a little different, because you know how with the French toast, the way they do it, and they have the crisp around the edges, this one wasn't like that. Yeah, it wasn't like that, like the one I'm used to and on the other cruise ships. Yeah. So we're gonna I'm trying to see what else we're gonna do there. I'm not sure, because you know how you'll say you're gonna do this and then something might happen, you might not do it. But whatever we do, you know, we're gonna take y'all along. We're gonna show y'all what we're doing and, you know, stuff like that. So far the cruise has been, it's been pretty good. I think that's about it. Oh, I meant to show y'all what we got for our VIP for the diamond, platinum diamond. I got to show y'all that. Let me show y'all. Okay, I'm back, friends. I had to go fetch it. But this is what we got for the VIFP club for the platinum and diamond. Is these, yeah. And it's something you wrap around your drink. Let me show you how it go. Oh, that did it real fast, and it goes around your drink. So this is what we had for our first one for becoming, and I see the other people walking around with them too. My husband, he loved his because he just wrapped his around his beer can. I haven't used mine yet. Yeah, but yeah, that's him. And the special, the pen. Yeah, that's the pen. And my husband went thinking that he was gonna get the pen for the gold. And I had done told him, he said the pens we get on every cruise. I say that's not for us anymore. He went bouncing up there and asking the lady for the pen. She said, oh, that's for gold members. And he was like, oh, I told her, I said, thank you so much for telling him that, because I've been trying to tell him that. Yeah, we're not gold anymore. We're not gold anymore. We're platinum. Not diamond, Antoinette. You're jumping ahead of yourself. Yeah, so I'm going to get off. So I'll see you guys. So we here at Captain's Night or Elegant Night. Let me tell y'all what happened today. So in the casino, I was playing, what was that I was playing? The
777.
The 777. So that's like a slot machine, right? The slot machine. And I won $103. Yes. First time playing in there. Never played before. So I won 107.
Beginner's luck.
103. Yeah. Beginner's luck. Yeah. Yeah. My husband, he kept trying to tell me to play, but I was afraid I wasn't gonna win anything, and I didn't want to be losing money, you know, and not getting anything back. So $103. So all together, because earlier I won $9. So, and then 103. So I did pretty good, and I haven't scratched off my tickets yet. So that might be a big win right there too. Hey friends, so we just getting back from eating dinner. Yes, and it was delicious. I had the prime rib, baked potato, broccoli. My husband had the exact same thing. We didn't eat, well, I didn't eat any dessert because I was full after all of that. And my husband, he had the vanilla ice cream. So I'm going to say goodnight because I am kind of tired. We supposed to be doing a little bit of walking through the ship, but I'm sleepy, friends. Yeah, I am sleepy. So today was really nice day. It was a really nice day today. I enjoyed myself. So tomorrow we'll be in Nassau. So I'll see y'all tomorrow, Lord's willing, in Nassau, Bahamas. Good night, my friends. Good night.